Alright, this is just a quick video on the 3M Super 77 multi-purpose adhesive. Just a adhesive art spray. And I'm going to use it on this piece right here, this reflection card. This cardstock is really stiff enough where I can just use a tape runner, but the Super 77 is just going to give it a much more uniform adhesion to what I'm using it for. This is really good for card making if you're doing larger format pieces, or whatever cardstock you're using is kind of thin. But, I mean, it's good for everything. It's just especially good for uniform adhesion on thinner pieces of paper where they would tend to buckle over time, you know, if you use the tape kind of just around on the perimeter. It can feel kind of loose on the interior or something like that. Or if you don't get your tape runner to the exact edge, you always kind of feel that kind of floppiness on the outside. Alright, so it's really windy out here, and you do always want to use these types of sprays outside. And the way that I'm going to do it is I'm going to start spraying kind of off my page and then sweeping across on there. You can also do it in bursts, but you just only have to do kind of a very thin coat for this type of application here. Alright, so I'm going to give it a quick test spray. This can is brand new. And just giving it a quick spray over like that. That is adequate for the application I'm using it for. You want to hold on the edges like this. And let's see. I'm going to get this right on the interior here and butt it up right in the fold against that top part. And I'll just kind of fold my card down like this. If you're doing just a flat piece and matting something, then what I would do is I would lay it down carefully and then put like a blank piece of paper or something like that on top and just kind of lightly, you know, just hand burnish it down. And then we have this perfect adhesion here, right across the surface right here. If it's a thinner piece of paper, you just want to make sure that you don't get any kind of air pockets on the interior. Sometimes you can burnish from the interior out like that, or just lightly lay it down, you know, onto whatever surface you're mounting it on, and then just, you know, like I said, just kind of burnish it out very lightly like that. But that thin spray like that, it can get you through, I don't know, this one can here, this is a 13.8 ounce, almost 14 ounces, and I can get probably, I don't know, that type of surface right here, just standard card size, I could probably do about, I don't know, a couple hundred of those sprays like that. You know, a lot of times I do double mats, so anyways, this card really saves me some time, a lot of tape, and it gives me a much more uniform adhesion of two different surfaces. Okay, anyways, thanks for watching.